Hi there, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Hoppin' To It with Bill Jr. Today, since it is now getting snowy out here in Metro Detroit, we're waking up to temperatures in the 20, 25, 30 degree range, which means we're waking up with frost and snow on our roofs. In fact, during the day, we're getting a lot of precipitation at this time of year that may initially come down as rain or sleet, and over the course of the evening is turning into ice. And since most homes, in fact, by most studies, it's about 85% of the homes out there are improperly ventilated, especially when it comes to their intake ventilation, ice dams and icicles are a really prevalent problem. And in fact, some homes, it's not even because of improper ventilation. It can simply just be by the design of the home that they naturally promote ice dam or icicle growth. So we know this is a major problem because that ice damming and icicles can back up under our shingles, under our roofing systems, allow moisture to come in, and the real dangerous part is it can happen over a long, slow period of time where you can be incurring thousands and thousands of dollars of damage on the interior of your home and the structure of it before you ever realize that it's an issue other than the formation of some ice damming and icicles. So, if your home is only 5 or 10 years old, what's the solution? Glad you asked. The solution is heat tape. This really fun, really not so pretty looking stuff that ends up on the roofs, right? We've seen it as we drive around in the subdivisions. It looks like a black extension cord that runs along from the edge or the eave of your roof and will run all the way up the roof line until it hits the interior wall of the home. It's actually some really great stuff because it is a wonderful product that will keep the roof warm and prevent the formation of ice dams, which will prevent damage to your roof. So this is a great tool for those homes that have had an ongoing issue but aren't quite ready for a new roof yet and don't want to make that investment because the rest of the roofing system is fine. Heat tape is a great alternative that solves an issue, is cost effective for the homeowner. And the great news is this is one of the many services that we do offer. The biggest thing that we stress to homeowners when it comes to heat tape is don't try and play the weather. When it comes to heat tape, the good rule of thumb is plug it in November and unplug it at St. Patrick's Day. Because what it's designed to do is warm and radiate the warmth of the heat that it's generating along the entirety of that roof line that it's on. What it's not designed to do is, oh shoot, a big snowstorm came, I better plug it in and try and superheat everything. That's not what it's designed for. You'll actually wear the system out. What it's designed to do is be plugged in at the beginning of the season and unplugged at the end of the season. It's only going to cost you in terms of energy around $5 to $15 a month, just depending on how much of it that you have. And again, it is a great solution that's going to solve those ice dam issues and prevent any damage to the home, or at least stop the damage that has been occurring. So if you want to learn more about it, see if your home is a good candidate for the ice tape, or the heat tape, well then go ahead and get a hold of us right now at 586-566-0308. The weather's still warm enough that it's going to make a big difference before we get into the real icy latter part of December, January, February. So again, call Kanga Roof. We're standing by, ready to hop to it for you. 586-566-0308, or visit us on our website, www.kanga-roof.com. I know me and the rest of the team can't wait to hop to it for you and help solve your ice damming issues.